Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a little frankening. Mainly, not frankening, more repressing. I have this this powder foundation that I need to put it, repress it into the center so I can use it better. So let's go ahead and get started with that. I'm going to try to keep us in frame here. I have some alcohol. I got too much alcohol in there, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and just press. I don't want to press it too hard to make it so hard it's like hard pan. Oh, that looks good. It's going to take a while to dry. Yeah, that one looks good. Okay. Okay, the second thing I'm going to repress is this. It's part of my Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette. This is a well-loved palette. You see, I just popped it out of there to make it easier. Let me move this out of my way. I'm going to repress this into the center to make it a lot easier. So let's get started. see how this works. Let's press it. Okay, looks pretty good. I don't want to press it hard because I don't want it hard panned. I'm sorry if you guys are shaking. Okay, that's good enough. I think that's good enough. There we go. That's all I'm really going to do today. So guys, thank you for joining me while I repress these items, these couple of things, and we'll see how they do. I'll probably show you in an upcoming Get Ready With Me how they're working. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for joining me. I'll see y'all next time.